Hey everybody, another video here with another great question that I saw in the Facebook group. The question is about how can we give the member the ability to hide or show their own public profile, okay? In this particular case, the member will be able to hide their presence here, their public profile, not the search results page, okay? But if that's what you want on the site, and you want to give your member the ability to just hide their public page, then here's how you do it. The first step is that you create a specific field on the database. You can name it whatever you want. In this case, we're going to be using receive message that I already had there. Um, Once you've created that in the database, you go to the form, in this case, the contact details form. And I'm creating a field up here called show public profile, yes or no. You can see the information here. Okay, by default is a yes. Here's the database column name that I'm gonna be using with it. Here's a label. Basically, you can see everything there, okay? Once you save that puppy there, you can go have a look at it on the contact details form. And in order for this to work properly, the only thing that you gotta edit is the Bootstrap theme member profile. There's only this if statement that you can see there. I'm gonna make it super big here. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so you can see it. Whoa, too much big there. Okay, so here you can see that's the only thing that I did. So what I'm saying here is if the received message is basically empty, meaning zero or a no, then disable the member. It won't disable the member in a permanent way, just disables the member for that particular static page, meaning the public profile page. So here we can see it. I'll just refresh the page and you can see that I can still see it and all that. If the member just comes here and they're like, well, I'm not going to be working here, or I want to disable my profile for a minute or a month, or I want to publish stuff, but I don't want people to see my profile, they can just say no, scroll down, save. That's it. So when somebody visits their public profile, it shows like this. If they want to go online again, they just come here, enable that again, save it. Just if anybody comes to it, the page, voila, they can see it. As simple as that. So again, Bootstrap theme member profile, remember the database field, the form editing, and just put in this if statement there. I can't make it more simple than that. So hopefully this will help a lot of people with their specific need for this. Thank you.